Hello there! In this video, we're going to talk about business to consumer in the most understandable terms possible. Business to consumer describes a transaction made between businesses and consumers, like selling a computer or providing homeowners insurance. As such, business to consumer marketing involves messaging that's mostly relevant to those consuming a final product. You might also hear B2C, consumer audience, end user, targeted marketing. It's kind of like if you were a grocer selling produce to consumers. In other words, business to consumer. You might highlight recipes for your offerings, not so much the transportation cost to get them in your store. Do you have any website-related technical jargon that you struggle to explain to clients? Leave them in the comments and we'll try to answer. Thanks for watching.